the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
The Walapress 16x20 manual drawer. Slide out drawer. Digital display. Counter. Change your temp, everything. It's very sturdy. Platen heats up evenly. I've had no issues with that. Got the little handle on the drawer. See, sturdy built. And you see I got my phone all the way under here. Plenty of room. Slide it in. Bam. Walapress 16x20 heat transfer warehouse has them in stock right now for $5.99. You can't beat it. Use the affiliate links in the description.
Apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.